This is a Lifetime 4-foot adjustable folding table, and we've had this table for about 8 years. So how does it hold up years later? One of the one things that I can say is this table is very sturdy. Um, it's super sturdy. I don't know exactly how much weight it can hold, but I do know that we've had a couple of kids climb up on this table. We've had this table since my daughter was little, and we use it for when the little cousins get together as a kids table. It is pretty easy to adjust. I'm having a little trouble here. But it's because the table's pretty old, so it sticks a little bit. But even after 8 years, it's still pretty easy to adjust. It adjusts to three different sizes. It's super durable. Like I said, I've had a couple of kids climb up on there and even dance before we can get them off. So it's a really great table. This table, like I said, is 8 years old. Oops, my bad. Um, oh Jesus, the bloopers. All right. This table is 8 years old and it's still in really good condition. It is not broken right now. That's just how it goes. I was a little aggressive in pulling the leg off, but it's about 2 feet in depth, which is perfect for serving things at buffets. We use this table, and I'll show you at the end, to serve our food for buffets. Overall, though, I really feel like for 8 years we got great value. For this table, would definitely recommend. We've used this a ton for when my daughter was little, and also when the nieces and nephews were born, and they'd come over. It's lasted and has been pretty sturdy this whole time.